Hi, I'm Andrew from XMA. Welcome to Mission to Mars. The title of this session is A Message Home, and we're going to be creating some amazing videos, and we're going to be using your iPad and the green screen app by Do Inc. Okay, so in this session, we are going to be using the context of a mission to Mars, a landing on Mars, to do some work in literacy. So we're going to be analyzing information, we're going to be synthesizing and sorting information, and we're going to be choosing which parts of information we choose to create our video. So we've crash landed on the red planet and we are lost. We have no idea where we are and we need to send a message home. So we need to decide which pieces of information are key for us to be able to get a message home that allows people to send us help. In order to do that, we're going to create one very short 20-second video. So you need to decide what are the key pieces of information that you want to share home. Do you want to ask what the football results were on Saturday, or what dinner is going to be tonight? Or maybe there are more important things that you think you need to communicate in the very short 20-second window that you have to get your message home. So what you're going to need to do is to get together in a group, and you're going to need to brainstorm the key pieces of information you need to put in your video to make sure everybody at home knows where you are and how to come and rescue you. Now you could do this in many ways. So you could just get together in a group, grab some post-it notes, a big bit of wallpaper and some big chunky markers and start to brainstorm your ideas. You could also use a technological solution like an app, like Padlet, for example, or even the Post-it note app on your iPad. However you do it, you need to take some time, you need to work with the others in your group, and you need to decide what are those key pieces of information. Sort them, organize them, argue about them until you know exactly what things you need to fit into 20 seconds of your video home. So by now you should have got your key pieces of information and you know exactly what you want to say in your video. So it's time now to record your message home. So we're going to go over to the green screen and we're going to start to work with our iPad to make sure that when we create the video, it really looks as though you are actually standing on the surface of Mars. So you're going to need to know really clearly what you're about to say, because once you're dressed up and you're ready to go, you're out there on the surface of Mars and you're going to be recording your video. So the first thing you're going to do is work with a partner. One of you is going to do the filming and the other one is going to be the astronaut on Mars. So if you're the astronaut, it's time for you to go and get dressed and ready to go. So firstly, open the green screen app. Choose the camera as a source. In the layer underneath, add a background image that perfectly illustrates the cold red surface of Mars. And on the top layer, get ready to record your video with your astronaut partner standing against the green screen. You'll now notice that the astronaut is sending a message home standing on the surface of the red planet. All you need to do now is to save that video to your camera roll and you can share it with your friends or even send it home. Hopefully you made it home safely and you'll be able to see how the green screen app that we've used today could be used in so many other areas of the classroom.